Hey guys, Garry Dean, RapidRideRehab.com, formerly DetailJuice.com. This is the brand new trim Hydrate. This is a beefed up version of the plastic and rubber Hydrate from my Marine series. It is now going to be marketed to auto, boat, RV, and motorcycle, not just Marine. I had a lot of people wondering why I had the trim Hydrate before and the plastic and rubber Hydrate. Well, they were two different markets, and the Marine version was slightly stronger than the regular trim Hydrate. Got rid of one. It will do all of it, but better. If you've been buying the current trim Hydrate, the new version, branded Rapid Ride Rehab, is even stronger. I have no problem with proper prep, and all that is using the rapid in and out cleaner to clean the trim first, getting it nice and clean, prepped with the cleaner, and then dry, applying one thorough coat of this on your plastic trim. I have it last me over a year here in the Tampa, Florida area, all the time. I've never had it fail prior to a year. Again, you got to use the cleaner. It has special stuff in there to allow this to bond. The cleaner's part of the deal. So you need the rapid in and out cleaner, then the trim Hydrate. Dunzo. Your trim will look black and awesome for at least a year. I see over a year in all of my installations. So if you got questions for me, 813-846-4406 is my cell, and I'm here if you need me. Let me know, guys. I'm here to help. Check out RapidRideRehab.com for all your detailing product needs.